Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is day 12 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series on my channel. And today we are going to do a reveal, hopefully a little bit quicker than most days, because maybe no, I will not have any better luck finding the item. But I did try to speed the video up, so hopefully it wouldn't take me so long to dig this out. More dies. That's pretty exciting. Check this out. Oh, there's strawberries. Cool. This is yet another thing that if I saw it in the store, I probably wouldn't buy it because it's just not something that I'm necessarily like, I don't know, that I necessarily would have a plan for in my normal crafting. So I think I've decided I'm going to make a tag and we're going to use some scraps of cardstock, and this is how we're going to start out. I have a strip of cardstock that fit into that punch, and we are going to, we're just going to leave it really long because I don't know how much space I'm going to need to fit all this stuff in. So since I am primarily using the things only from the Advent calendar from this year, I've decided that I'm going to die cut out the words from earlier, the from me to you words. I'm going to die cut those out with some white cardstock. And I'm not 100% sure at this point how many strawberries I'm going to put on the card. So I'm just going to die cut out a bunch of leaves and a bunch of strawberries from some different scraps of cardstock. The strawberries are all going to go get cut out with red cardstock, and then the leaves are going to be in two different shades of green, just because I'm not really sure what I'm doing here yet with all this, and we're just going to kind of play it by ear because that's pretty much how my crafting goes for the most part. It's pretty much play it by ear, and if it doesn't turn out, guess what? It's just paper. You can throw it in the garbage and start over. All right, so I spared you all the boredom of watching me die cut all those things out. But now here comes the fun part. We have to attempt to assemble all the things. So I decided that since strawberry seeds are black, we're going to cut it out like a black. I tried to trace around the dies, and obviously they're too big because that's the outside dimension of the strawberries. And so then we're fidgeting around, cutting them down some more, and then we're going to glue the red strawberries on top of the black shape. If I was really into this, I could have die cut the strawberry out of black and used all the little dots. But let's be real. I'm in a time crunch because it's December, and well, who is not in a time crunch in December? So we're just trimming down the black cardstock to go behind the strawberry, and hopefully it looks a little bit like a real strawberry because that's what we're going for, right? Of course, realism in our greeting card making and gift tag making. So as this takes me way too long to trim this black piece of cardstock to go behind the strawberry, I decided at this point that I'm probably only going to use 2 strawberries on this because the leaves are quite large and I want to be able to fit as many of the pieces as I kind of can in my visualization here. So I'm going to only use 2 strawberries. We're going to assemble all the strawberries with all their stems and some leaves on them. And now look at this. I'm using my reverse tweezers. I'm so proud of myself. When I do this, I started at the bottom and then I went to the top so I could make them evenly spaced for the little words. And since we are, not wanting to watch somebody glue things together, I put this on hyper mode. Hyper speed for the gluing situation. All right. And now we're just going to finish the assembly of the strawberries. And I don't honestly know if this is what strawberries and their leaves look like, but that's what they're going to look like for my card or my project today. So we're going to try to kind of keep them on. Yeah, there's me getting glue everywhere because I didn't set it down right. So we're going to put it down there on the make art station, and then we're going to trim it down, and I'm going to round the corners just so it looks a little more finished, and it's done. Here's a pause in our regularly scheduled content for 5 seconds of Sleepy Sonic. Thank you. Now you may return to your regularly scheduled content. Let me know in a comment below what you would do with these strawberry dies. How would you use them in your crafty projects? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it when you like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. All right. Don't forget to come back tomorrow, see what else we got going on. And here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.